Scientists just made a huge discovery about the universe. Here's what they found and why it matters. Since 2015, we've been able to detect ripples in spacetime called gravitational waves. But until now, we could only detect high-frequency waves from massive events like colliding black holes. To detect lower-frequency waves, we'd need equipment millions of times larger. That seemed impossible. But scientists discovered another way. They studied special spinning stars called pulsars. These stars shoot out powerful radio waves. If a gravitational wave passes through, it slightly changes the timing of those pulses. Some thought this was a waste of time, but for 15 years, scientists used giant radio telescopes to test it. Now, the results are in. They've found evidence of a background of long gravitational waves filling the cosmos. Think of it this way. 15 years ago, we could only hear the occasional yell of the universe. Now, our ears are sensitive enough to hear the cosmic murmurs all around us. If you love amazing science and tech discoveries, follow for more.